Hello, my name is Douglas. I appreciate you checking out the video. I'm out here in the shop house working on a 91 Nissan D21 2.4 liter. And I'm just, easy job. I'm just doing a cap and rotor. But if you don't know how to do this, there's a couple things I wanted to point out that they're not showing in other videos. There's not actually that many videos on this. So right off the bat, let's get into it. Yeah. I want to show you this number on the side. Now, when you're buying parts for these motors, cap and rotor, that number right here is, you've got to get the cap and rotor that matches the distributor. And this is a Hitachi distributor. You can go by the numbers to do that. And this is fairly simple. Behind here, and I wish it was the other way, but oh well. Get what you got. So this little bolt here is a 8mm, and I'm getting ready to take that thing off. You can kind of tell where this thing's burned up and everything. Another thing I've noticed is that I cannot get a gasket, so I'll take that apart, and I'll look around later on, pull that back apart, and try to get a gasket for that as soon as I can. But for now, we're going to be taking this off and replacing it, and then we will continue. Hello again, yeah. Oh, that was fun. I've got the new rotor on there, and it'd be a lot better if you try to get this nut on this side and make your life a lot easier. But yeah, I had to get rid of the wires and get bent over here and get it lined up. One thing that actually helped was this little tool here, where I could line it up and get it started. And you just basically finish it up with that. So now the next thing is, you got to remember, which way did I do the rotor? Okay, rotor. Now, I've already, new kit come with a new screw, so this will go down on here, like this. Very carefully line this up, and boom. Of course, it's hard to do this with two hands, so this is where I'm at. And I am going to install the new distributor cap, and then we'll continue. All right, yeah, we're moving right along now. Yeah, we're cooking with fire. So, what you want to do, find your number one cylinder. Make sure that's I really don't like that. He's new. But yeah, got your number one cylinder. I already got it pulled. Stick it in there. You want to hear it snap. Hopefully this snaps. That'll work. Then you just basically start working your way around. And luckily this is only 4-cylinder, so you just go around. Maybe later on these plug wires are kind of old too, so I'll basically go around and save this middle one. That's the first you pull, but that'll be the last one you put on. And so I'm just going to pull these off, put them on here, and connect this thing, run my wires, and we'll show you how it's all done when it's finished up. All right, we all about finished up now. So we got it all in there. This is your main wire, and these all click down pretty good. That one, I might reroute it yet. I'm not really happy with this one. And pull that over. So I still do need to work on that end of it. But yeah, went ahead and pulled the old cap. Show you can see where that thing's burnt right there. And then the middle. So yeah, that's why it's important to change out. This thing should actually get more better gas mileage, better performance, and it should run so much better. It wasn't that long ago I actually put plugs in this truck, and well, they were expensive, but I shouldn't have to like replace them in 10 years. So one more thing, I've got to put the little cap on, and we're done for the day. So I appreciate you checking out the video. Please subscribe.